let's learn how to fall correctly so we're not going to injure ourselves. And I got a little bit of a secret for you guys here. Stay tuned for the end of the video. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to have our hands kind of up, collar area, or just kind of like out in front of you, kind of folded. You could fold your hands. It doesn't really matter how you hold them. Just make sure elbows are down and hands are kind of up towards your face, up towards your neck, chest area, so we can get a good slap motion. Okay, so this is what it is without falling. First is here, you're going to slap down like this, and your arm is going to make an A shape. Okay, so we're not going straight out and we're not going over our head. We're going to an A shape, just a little out from our hips. Okay, so it's just this motion right here. So palms in, palms out, palms in, palms out, and you want to have that rotation to disperse that negative force that's taking you backwards. Okay. And then secondly, let's look at the top of our head. We want to have our chin kind of tucked a tiny bit so our head is up, because last thing we want to do is let our head flip back and then knock ourselves out. So we want to make sure our head is tucked in and we have our hands out, and then this head stays exactly where it is right here. Okay, let me move the camera down a tiny bit so you got seeing the floor space. Okay, so this is kind of going to be right here, and your feet, all we're going to do is we're going to start with our feet together as of right now, so we just get the motion of being comfortable with rolling backwards. Okay, so this is the first step of falling correctly. Is we're going to bend our knees, and we're just going to kind of squat down, and then just kind of roll our bodies just backwards, and then just slap real nice and easy. Okay, so here it is. So we're going to feet together, bend all the way down, roll, and then slap. So here it is again, just hands up, get down, roll, and then slap. And I'm sure you guys will find the perfect timing. It doesn't take that much work to get a good rhythm of a slap. Make sure head's up and then slap down, and you should be okay from there. Okay, now this little secret is going to work for everything. I'm sure we have all lost our air one time in our life. You know, we fall off the monkey bars, a slide, you know, we trip, you know, elbow jabs in the right spot. Okay, the cause of losing our air is we have air in our lungs. Now, if we release the air when we're falling, when we know we're falling, when we're getting punched, okay, every time, you know, if you're sparring in class, and you know a kick or a punch is coming to you, just start losing your air every time that you're getting hit, punched, kicked, whatever it is. You lose your air, you're never going to lose your air again. All right, that's a little secret right there that will keep you from that dreaded losing your air feeling, which sucks. Okay, so with that being said, go ahead, work this real slow. Just kind of bend the knees, slow, roll back, and then just slap. You should get it. Remember to comment down below if you have any questions on this. Like and subscribe. Until next time, train smart, train hard. See you then.